replacing the bearings inside of idler and bogey wheels on a 2003 Ski-Doo MXZX. This should be pretty similar through all the Ski-Doos from 2003 to 2007 with the rev chassis, and similar concept with any other snowmobiles replacing the bearings. I ordered a 10-pack online to replace all of them on my sled, and all of them should be the same for both these kinds. So to start out, you're going to want some snap ring pliers. I found out that you're going to want some heavy duty ones. I've used some other ones and they've bent. You're going to want a board that you can beat on, a hammer, some kind of vice grips or pliers. Start with taking out this old one. Once you get that out, you'll want to hit it out. That's what it looks like. These old ones weren't spinning so well anymore. You take your new bearing, maybe clean this out a little bit, maybe spray some WD-40 in here just to help get the new bearing in. Make sure there's no junk in this little groove that snap ring goes into. Just work it around a little bit. So with the new bearing, try to line that up as best you can. Probably going to want some kind of cardboard or a mat or something underneath this because we're going to beat on it a little bit. So you don't want to crack the plastic like some of these ended up on my snowmobile. Try to get as even as you can. Take your board so you get a equal pressure exerted all around it, and so you're not beating on the actual new bearing itself. Once you get that seated as about as deep as you can with the board, stick one of the old bearings on top of it, then use that as your persuasive method. Pry that back out. Make sure you can see the groove for the snap ring all around. Get your ring back. This is a good time to be wearing some safety glasses just in case this releases. It gets right back in there. Make sure it's in the groove. And you're good to go.